in this chance, I'm going to show you how to translate in Google Sheets, okay? And in this opportunity, we are going to translate from English language to Indonesian language in France. And first of all, you have to prepare like this. You have to write English, Indonesia, and France like this. And then I'm going to show you how to input the formula to translate from English English language to Indonesian language. And make sure you put your attention to this formula, okay? First, we have to write like this, Google Translate. And actually, the Google Sheets have given you like the guidance for you, and you just have to follow this guidance from the Google Sheets, okay? And we have to put the text, and the text is in the A2 cell, and I'm going to click the A2 cell, okay? A2 cell, and we have to write the search language. EN is for English, and IN is for Indonesia. Okay, and you have to click the checklist. And wait a second, and yeah, the Google Sheets has translated your language. And we are going to translate to French with the same formula. And click A to cell. And we have to write N and FR for France, and click this checklist. Okay, so that's the tips from me guys, and thanks for watching.